On3 on the left. There, see, I was testing you. See what you were doing. Jackstylez on the right. DJ Abel. Let's go. Showtime, guys. This gonna be a good battle right here. I already know. Who's gonna get it? Who wants it? Jackstylez, mix one.
Lost my shape.
Oh,
Can't stop.
On3. What?
I might end up in the hospital.
Let's go.
I'm changing my shape. I feel like an accident.
I like the support in the back. That's a crew right there. If you never seen one. On3. Oh, he picked it up nice. Taking his time. Smooth. Roll.
I'm ready.
Uh-oh.
I push the facts in front of me.
This guy is a problem. Watch it.
Facts are never what they seem to be. Nothing
Oh,
more.
back up, On3. Back up, or else you're
No
gonna get kicked.
information left
The
to
man's
be
flying.
found.
Oh,
I'm
oh.
lifting my head, looking for the gentle
Oh,
side.
my goodness.
There were
Man, that's some next level stuff right there. This battle's getting good. Oh, he's listening to the beat. That's it. That's it. Uh-oh. On3, back out. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? He said, I got 3 of those. And these headspins on top of that. What? Oh! Fresh. On3 is not fresh. Oh, did I just... This is a family show. Keep it together. WeBreak's coming out strong. Who is this guy? He's got the glasses on still. Chill, Boba. Whoa. Nasty. Boba. Represent. I like that. Oh. Don't ever count this man out. Don't ever count him out. He's got the Adidas with the Adidas. He's got the right ideas. Okay. Footwork. Windmills. Freeze. Clean. To the crowd. CC's. Oh, one leg. Grab. Freeze. Uh-oh. Here's my uncle. Jackstylez. He said you looking like a robot. Watch your styles. Let's go, Jack. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Nasty Jack. Okay, let's go, Jack. Show 'em more, Jack. Show 'em more. Show 'em what they don't do, Jack. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Flavor. That's it, that's it, that's it. Fresh battle, fresh battle. I like
Your
it.
name isn't Matt, right?
Friends,
No, my name's Andy.
before and after the battle. Remember that, guys.
I'll tell you later.
Okay? Friends, before and after the battle. Because a friendship will last longer than a battle. That's the truth. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. I got really like poetic right now. But that's real. That was real. Judges, on a count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. There it is, y'all. Mixed Styles takes On3.